Hello and hello friends, all of you are most welcome in your loving one person family. I am your soul friend, Tales and Twist. Come on guys with me and help homeless families. Later I will carry you soon in a journey of new story, the power of a positive mindset. So now let's go! In a small bustling town nestled between rolling hills lived a young man named Michael. Michael was known for his infectious optimism and his ability to find a silver lining in any situation. Despite his humble beginnings and the many challenges life threw his way, he maintained a positive outlook that inspired everyone around him. Michael's childhood was far from easy. His family struggled to make ends meet, and he often had to juggle school with part-time jobs to support them. Yet he never complained. Instead, he viewed each obstacle as an opportunity to grow stronger and wiser. His friends would often ask him how he managed to stay so positive, to which he would smile and say, "It's all about the power of a positive mindset." One day, disaster struck the town. A severe storm swept through, causing widespread destruction and leaving many families homeless. Michael's family was among those who lost everything. As he stood amidst the ruins of his home, his heart ached with the enormity of their loss. But true to his nature, Michael refused to be defeated. He gathered his family and neighbors, and with a determined glint in his eyes, he said, "We can rebuild. Together we can make this town even better than before." His unwavering positivity was contagious. The community, inspired by Michael's resilience, and rallied together. They pooled their resources, shared what little they had, and supported each other through the difficult times. Michael took the lead, organizing volunteers, coordinating efforts, and encouraging everyone to keep their spirits high. Months passed, and slowly but surely, the town began to rebuild. New homes rose from the ashes, and the bonds between the town people grew stronger. Michael's positivity had not only helped them survive from the disaster, but also had fostered a sense of unity and purpose that transformed their community. Years later, when the town was fully restored and thriving, people would often recount the story of storms and how a young man's positive mindset had made all the difference. Michael had become a local hero, not because of any grand gesture, but because of his unwavering belief in the power of positivity and the strength of community. In last moral of the story is the power of a positive mindset can transform even the direst of circumstances. By focusing on the good, finding opportunity in challenges, and inspiring others with optimism, we can overcome obstacles and build a better future. With a smile, I will say all of you, I love you, goodbye, good luck. I'm your soul friend, Tales and Twist.
Indecisive, maybe it's all too late. Maybe I'm just done fighting. Maybe, oh, maybe I'm indecisive. Maybe it's all too late. Maybe I'm just done fighting.